Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Rishabh from Ascending Techie, and today we are going to talk about whether you should buy the 3000 series GPUs or whether you should just get the 2000 series ones. So, for planning your future build, you might be looking at the 3000 series cards as well as the 2000 series cards. But for this video, we will put the availability issue aside and focus on how much performance you are losing for the price you pay if you pull the trigger on one of the older cards right now. Let's start from the 3080. The 3080 beats the 2080 Ti, which costs at least around a lakh or 1,10,000 rupees in India, while the MRP for the Founders Edition 3080 is 62,000 rupees. This is almost half the price for much better performance. Why would you even think about buying the 2080 Ti? And does a 1 GB of memory difference justify spending double the money? For any normal person, I bet it doesn't. So what about the 2080 Super? Well, the prices of all the 2080 Supers that I found online were very close to the MRP of the 3080. So again, why buy an inferior card? What's more surprising is that the non-super cards are very hard to find, and in case you do find them, their prices are higher than their super counterparts, which again is stupid. Also, for high-end gaming, especially for gaming at 4K and 1440p, buy a stronger graphics card instead of a stronger CPU. For example, buy the 3700X with 3080 instead of 5800X with 3070. I hope this makes sense. Then we have the RTX 3070. The Founders Edition version has an MRP of 44,500 rupees. Now, for comparison, the RTX 2070 and 2070 Super from various companies have prices ranging anywhere between 40k to 50k or more. This makes the previous 2000 series cards a very poor choice for performance for the money you are spending, since the 3070 can trade blows in performance with the 2080 Ti. This is a huge deal. Also, you have to keep in mind that I'm only comparing the Founders Edition cards here to the 2000 series cards. The reason for this is that these cards have a great cooler design that doesn't let your card thermal throttle. If you were to put these cards in a good airflow case, you would get even better temps, which is the only reason you might be considering buying a card from one of the AIBs. Speaking of AIBs, their cards have prices ranging anywhere from Nvidia's base price to 10 or 15,000 rupees above, only for slightly better temps for the 3000 series. I'd rather suggest you to put this money towards a better case and case fans along with the Founders Edition card. With that said, for entry level gaming, the 2060 and 2060 Super still seem like a good deal, but that is only because the 3060 and the 3060 Ti haven't launched yet. The 3060 Ti is rumored to be launched at $400, which should be approximately 36,000 rupees in India after the taxes, and thus the 3060 might be priced at anywhere from 28 to 32,000 rupees. The 3060 Ti is expected to launch on December 2 and 3060 in January, which is only 1.5 months from now. If you are planning to pull the trigger, don't rush the decision because you can't wait to play some games. Wait for some time and get a better deal and performance for the hard-earned money of yours or your parents' that you are about to spend. So, in conclusion, buying any of the 2000 series cards does not make any sense whatsoever given the current market conditions. You are better off waiting for the new GPUs because of their value proposition. The only reason that can justify buying a 2000 series GPU right now is that if your work suffers because of the lack of a GPU. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll respond to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, be kind to everyone.